guys, and welcome back to Osmosis. And today is Friday. This is just 11:33, and I quickly want to drop something on the oil because I see some moves in oil, and I would like us to benefit from it also. So I'm going from a weekly view. I won't go into extreme details on monthly and stuff, but from a weekly view, let's look at this. Okay, let me delete all these impulsive moves. All right, so there was a monthly supply here, and the supply was sweep of liquidity. Let's see it from here. The supply here broke, it came back here and came back here. So this was the last leg that broke this low. So back to this is the last leg. Now this last leg was taken here. Immediately this last leg was taken, I look out for the first break. Who did the first change of character? We had a stop point, change of character, new price will return to the base, which is where the demand started from. This is where the struggle started from before the push. So in here, who is the last man here? This guy here. So when price got in, price also wasted a lot of time. Price wasted a lot of time. Then we have the first break. Price came back to it, and this first break I've noticed for some while now. If you have price break, price then come back to this other block before it moves and do its distribution. And when price will come back, price always wants to take out either this first low inside the same OB. You see that the OB, this retracement comes in before the push. Now price sometimes comes back to take out this low, and price will now start moving backward. So in here, where price broke this, price came back. So this low was an interest for me to see that price gets over this low, but price didn't get over this particular low. But price came into the OB, and when price came into the OB, we have a drop base rally. Now why I spot a good opportunity is this. I'm interested in selling this pair down to this place. I'm interested in selling it down here, but because the function of this leg is to make a new high, and the function of this retracement is to push to break to this high. So because price will push to break to this high, I'm not going to be interested in this demand. And if I was to be interested in this demand, I would love to see a more significant demand gets taken. Okay, so let's go into confirmation and realize what we do. So was this broken? Yes, it was. So you can see it's what pulled out, it broke this high. So if it broke this high, what do we have now? We have a sweep of low. This is the first sweep of previous week low. So let's indicate the previous week high and low. This is low. So previous week high dictate it better. Which one? Previous week high, previous week low, as and we are inside the supply. You see the price took out the low. I'm still bullish on this. Why? Because we swept this high. So let's go down. I would like to jump, guys. I would like to jump. I'll come back to daily, but from weekly, I'd like to jump to 4 hour from weekly. Pardon me for that. Now, this supply was not supposed to be taken. So what do we see? Price reacted to this supply, took this supply out, then changed to retracement. So in our retracement, we have I should probably clean up this because let's clean up all markings. Okay, all cleanup's done. So let's go down to daily. Now take a look at daily. We have the reaction and we have the taking it out. So who made the effort? This guy made the effort. We have a sweep. After this sweep, price now changed and broke up this high. Price came back into it for a confirmation and price pushed and broke up this high. So I knew when price come in here, we're gonna see some buys, and price came in and the buy started. So now what I'm considering is 1, 2, 3 candle versus 1, 2 candle. This candle should have closed bullish, but because of the immediate retracement, this one do close bearish. Now this is also a very solid, let's go back to weekly. This is a very solid reaction for sell setup. So look at this sell setup. Price took it out and changed character. So we have price in here, or better still in here, reacting to sales, which is daily sales, reacting to sales in here. But I'm bullish though. I'm just trying to see. So we have liquidity sweep here, a break of market structure as a retracement. Liquidity sweep, you change your market structure, price came back into it, and for a continuation setup, we would love to see price take out this low. If price should take out this low, note we are continuing on the sell, and we'll use our weekly demand as our entry. If price should take out this zone, that means we are still in on the sell. But for me, let's go down to 4 hour. From 4 hour, I realized that I have this reaction from this demand, which is the change of character. Price came back into it, we bounce into this. Now take a look at some significant thing I want to talk about. Now take a look at this candle entry 1 2 3. This 3 candle, you can see this is an evening star, saying that there is sellers in the market. There is good sellers in the market. So all I'm gonna do, I actually caught sell in this market though, but I closed because it was Friday. I closed quite early because it was Friday, which was a good entry for me. So I'm looking into next week to see if price will continue. Also, when I did a trend line check, my trend line check was I think was on 30 minutes. Let's go to 30 minutes. So on my 30 minutes trend line check, I caught this entry here. I caught it, I posted it in a group, but this was my take profit because it was Friday. So I want to see this get broken. So what I did was I found a good entry. Here, drop base drop formation. I knew that formation is a sell setup. I entered in here, stop above here. Price did this. I almost closed this position when price did. I said, oh, how much is this? I'm like, take it if you want to take it. You've taken a lot of money already, so take it. Price dropped it to the TPS, okay, because I didn't really risk big because it's a retracement from my V. I didn't really risk big. I was like, this is a retracement V, why am I risking big? I'll just risk something. Then if I see continuation, then I go in big. So now I was able to enter this trade early. When I saw this drop, base drop, price came back, price dropped. I knew price will come back for this, but it already take me on TP. Price came back and dropped. Price came back into this base also, because this is a drop, base, drop. This candle highs and low, no other candle closes until they close below, so it's base, drop. So price came back into the base, and what do we have? We have drop, base, drop. We still have another base here. Let me put another base here. So we have this first one, which is drop, base, drop. The base drop will be from who's the last man? This is the last man here. So let's just use this from this high to this low. So if price should come into this zone and sell off, then I'll look for the next zone to enter. Okay, but here is the last demand that was not mitigated. This is the last demand. So if price should mitigate this demand, I want to see a change of character from the sell to a buy. So I want to see an entry like this, then I go in. If I see an entry like this, I'm gonna go in for the buys, but if I don't see, I'll wait to see a sell entry continuation setup, then I go in for the sell. So let's go back to 1 hour, and from 1 hour also you can see it's looking pretty, and this is the 4-hour entry. So I'm just waiting for this to happen. Then 4-hour entry, this is it on 4-hour. This rally base, rally formation, price came back into it. Then we have a base drop, rally. So we have at the bottom a lot of offers. So price is in back into this zone, so that is why I was saying that I'm looking for a penetration in this zone. If I see a penetration in this zone, then I'm going on the presentation. If I go in fact, I'll prefer you to let one person win. Let either the buy win or either the sell win first. So I think that's why I don't trade on Monday, because I will wait for Monday to close, and by Tuesday I would have seen who won. Is it the buy or the sell? Whoever wants, I'm in with their support 100%. Okay, we're still going, and you can see from a daily view. From a daily view also the same bullying. You can imagine this changing. Now you now create another bullying to drop price, which is not bad. If price should drop, it should drop to this zone. Okay, I think that's that on Usoil for now. Please do your own research also. For this is my own personal understanding, and I'm glad to have a community where I share it. Thank you guys for your support. I see that you guys are liking my videos and subscribing. I really appreciate you giving me more urge to do more, and I continue to do it. Thank you guys. Bye for now.